In 5 years, I don't remember a time they weren't able to fill an order. When you're quoting new work, being able to find the right tool for the job quickly can really make the difference between getting the job and not getting the job in today's global market. I want to share with you one of the options at your disposal for free at your fingertips when it comes to looking for end mills, drills, and reamers, along with some other specialty cutting tools. I'm here at the main page of the GARR tool website. If you haven't been since their redesign or you've never been at all, I'll post a link down below in the comments so you can check it out for yourself after watching this video. The products, resources, what's new, company, contact us, all of that. But if you look at products right here, you get a couple really great options right off the top. You can request a quote, and then it's really as simple as whether you work at a distributor or you're an end user and what type of tool you're looking for. If you're looking for a ball end mill, and you can start filling out all the things in red, and anything that's not highlighted in red is optional information. And if you have a preferred distributor, you can search here and then click here and it'll list all the locations for that distributor. In this case, I've typed in Thomas Skinner and it has all of their Western Canadian branch locations. That information is sent to your GARR rep as well as your local distributor so they can work on supporting you with it. If you don't know your distributor, start filling out your contact information and it'll populate it from there. This is a very quick way to request a custom tool. When you pop onto the What's New, a couple highlights I want to share with you. If you're a Mastercam user, you can import all of the GARR tools directly into your Mastercam to simplify programming, which is great if you're running some optional paths or some major material removing paths or finishing paths as you quote a job, just to see what that cycle time is going to run. For users of the machining cloud, you'll also notice that they've been on there since 2018. GARR manufactures over 14,000 tools per day. When it comes to on-time delivery and quick turnaround, they cannot be beat. So you know when you're picking something from their catalog that you're going to be able to have it quick. 99.something% fill rate means, well, in 5 years, I don't remember a time they weren't able to fill an order. Working on the shop floor, in a machine shop, being able to find a tool and find it quickly can make that difference between getting the job or losing the job to the competition. When you're looking for that support, please do reach out. I'm here to work with you and lift you up so you can meet your customers' needs, win that work, reduce your costs, and improve your profits. Until next time, keep your spindle turning and earning.